Hi there, all. I just wanted to talk to you today about a book that has recently come out. It was written by a great friend of ours, Mr. Terry Kelley, absolute legend of a man who unfortunately passed away very suddenly earlier this year. But his two brothers, Paul and Richard, have left us something to treasure from our friend Terry, something magnificent. It's a collection of his little poems, and they're sort of married together with some recipes. Because Terry was a chef, a great chef, and so is his brother Paul. And between the two of them, they've put some recipes into this book with poems to go with them as well. And it's a lovely, it's a real touching book. It's you can get it. It's available. You can see on my page. I'll put the link as well, where you can go to Amazon. You can buy the book. You can also get a Kindle version these days as well. And but it's something beautiful. It really is something beautiful. Anyone who knew Terry, it's just one of the loveliest and craziest guys I've ever met. I knew him for 22 years, luckily, and it was nothing but kindness always to me. He was one of the few who followed us to England when we had our chance in the record business, and we were trying to get signed by a Canadian record company. He came down to the gig in London along with a few others, and he's a real supporter and a fan of Blah Blah, and me personally, he was always there for me whenever I needed him. And but I just wanted you to turn you on to this book, and I also wanted to say thank you to Paul and to Richard for being so great about this. So we're going to get together, and I know Paul. I've known Paul for as long as I've known Terry, and I don't know Richard yet. But hopefully, we're going to see him. We're going to see each other later in the year. I just wanted to read to you just one poem from the book, if that's okay. But it wasn't written by Terry. It was written by his brother Richard, and it's a beautiful poem, and it makes me think very strongly of Terry when I read it. And if you want to get hold of the book, it's available on Amazon. It's called Chef as Poet, and I'd like to just read you the poem that Richard contributed to the book, which is called Fleeting Mist. A morning mist is but fleeting, barely there before retreating. Its mysterious magic fills the air. The lake holds secrets it doesn't share. Like life, it comes and disappears. A fleeting mist, damp like my tears. That one so young should die so soon. Why, we cry. That familiar tune. And through the mist, I see once more a fisherman not far from the shore. He laughs and waves. Please stay, I say. And like the mist, he fades away. But when that mist returns again, fond memories will ease our pain.